Would you like to battle with me?
Yes, I want to battle with you. What kind of battle?
It's just like a game. It's a part of a game.
Okay, it's part of the game. How? What are you doing right now?
I'm watching your score. Oh my God. What is this?
My score is part of my family, with a part of my life, with a part of my brother and sister. My mother is blue. What do you think of that? My mother is blue.
Oh my God. What is happening?
It's happening. It's engaging. Everything. Oh, what is that?
Oh my God.
What is your name?
My name is Austin.
Hi, Austin. Where are you from, Austin?
I'm from Thailand.
Oh, sawadee ka.
Sawadee krap.
Na na
Sawadee
na
krap.
ha. Sawadee ka. Thailand is one of my best countries that I love, because Thailand is many people that is friendly and lovely, and everything that I want is in Thailand.
Okay.
Where do you live in Thailand?
Rayong.
Oh, I don't know, where is that. Are you happy with me?
Yes. You know what? I can't believe, that your score is 16,087.
That is so big. Big like my face, like my mouth, and everything that big is me.
And my score is just 202.
It's okay, just do this.
Thank you so much.
Do this so they will send to you.
Thank you.
You don't do that. Okay, no one will send you.
No.
How is your life? Is your life is very good or not? Or everything that is life is there or not at all?
Every day I'm so thankful to my Lord, My life is good. My life is good.
My life is good also. A while ago, they released me on TV.
Okay.
You know TV?
Yes, I do.
What's that?
It's a television which we watch every day.
Yeah, we watch every day. But you don't sound like Thailand. Do you live there, or do you just go there for vacation?
No. I'm living here in Thailand since 13 years now.
Oh, that's your citizen or not?
No, I have not got the citizenship yet.
Oh, that's nice.
To get that.
I love Thailand. A lot of people in Thailand is very good, and it's very lovely people with a understood, and I understand myself. Do you understand me?
Thai people are really very beautiful people.
Yeah, they're very, because I go to Thailand last month. I go to Thailand to have my vacation there. I just go around there and go to the train and go to Hanavishi with finding of everything that I want. And it's very, very nice there.
Yes. People out here in Thailand, they're rich with rich culture.
Yeah.
Rich with heart, rich with money, rich with environment, everything. They're phenomenal, you can say. Phenomenal.
Yeah, it's phenomenal. They're always smiling. If they see people, they're just like this.
Yes.
Because I go there in Thailand last month.
You went here?
Do I look beautiful with a beautiful eyes, with a beautiful brain and everything?
You know what? I never imagined, and I never thought I'll meet such a wonderful girl like you. Thank you so very much for the match. It's very, very, very. I'm very, very thankful. Really, very, very thankful to you.
I'm very thankful because I talk to you. I'm very thankful because you've been part of my life and part of everything that I have in life. And I'm so happy because I talk to you. And tomorrow I'll talk to you. And every day in my life I'll talk to you. Do you talk to me?
Yes, I do. I would be very grateful if you could talk to me every day.
Yeah, we will talk each other.
Yes, and your score is 24089.
Yeah.
That's
the 24,263 is a part of my family. It's like my mother and father and like 2,000 siblings with a grandma and grandpa with a.
Thank you, Jasmine.
That is part of my family. That's why it's many.
I see.
Are you happy that you're talking to me, or you're sad, or you're leaving, or what?
I'm totally in shock today because I met such a wonderful people like you.
Yeah, because all of Filipino is very nice people.
Very nice, I never imagined myself. I was just sitting in my bed and I thought I'll just go on live on TikTok, and I met you. What a coincidence!
Yeah, it's like I will bet you with the summer. You know that? Like yes. you're meeting me like one of the most important things in our life. Like, my nose is bleeding already.
Why?
Because like the part of English is like a part of society that I cannot speak anymore. Like it's very brainwashed that I cannot speak anymore. Like sometimes I'm just gonna be burnout.
Okay.
Do you have wife?
See, to be very honest, that is very confidential.
Do you have wife?
That's very confidential.
Oh, sorry. I should not tell that.
Yes, yes, man.
I'm sorry. It's part of my mouth. Next time, I'm not gonna tell that.
Okay.
This is not my account. This is my friend's account. I just do live.
No. You are very special. You are very special.
What's special?
You are very special. I never saw a person like you know. Like you talk so nicely. You're so humble. You're so kind. I believe you're very, 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 very famous. Guys, please do help us
No,
with this.
I'm not famous. I'm just part of the culture with a culture fan, with a furling, with a Mama Mo Blue. No.
Guys, come on, speak challenge, guys. Challenge, guys. Throw some beautiful flowers, man. Throw beautiful flowers. Rose, guys. Come on, rose. And you know what? 492 people are watching me live right now.
Wow, that's nice.
What is the name of your dog?
May inakyat ako, tinaburing ako eh.
Ay, sorry. Hindi na ito.
Tay, umuko ka na dyan. Ihi talaga ako, kanina pa ako dyan.
Go. Sino yan?
Papa ko yun, papa.
Papa mo? Ang dami.
Double tap, guys. Double tap. Guys, please do help with my scam.
Trip na naman si Perlas. Ay, di ko pa rin yung charger.
Guys, double tap, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Come on. Help us. Help me, guys. Thank you. Double score, guys. Double score, guys. Double score.
Luningi ko. Doon, no?
Guys, double score, guys. Hello.
Hi, Darjeeling.
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 Yes.
This is my account actually.
Okay.
The one you talk to is, Togan.
That's your wife?
No. No.
A boyfriend?
No.
She's a sunshine, I believe.
What?
Sunshine.
Yes.
Okay, nice, man.
She's
Your girlfriend?
no. What do you call this? What did she tell you?
No. She's a wonderful girl. She didn't say anything.
Nakita na kayo nagpokerat?
Oo, nakita na kami sa Okada.
Sana all.
Nagyakapan pa nga kami.
No, ba yan? Madumi ka na.
Madumi. Uy!
Kasampal ka na, te. Gusto ko lang ako sampal.
Masasampal ata. May masasampal ngayon sa live.
Ano?
Naayos mo.
Yung?
Yung nalalaglag.
Nabenta ko na yung 3.
Ano ka talaga?
Mag-thank you ka sa akin dahil nabenta ko.
Hindi ko binibenta yan.
Nabenta ko na yung green, yung blue, tsaka yung white.
Hindi ko binibenta yan.
Ako, 2.5. You should thank me.
Siguro naman ang mura ng mga binenta.
You should thank me.
Uy, ba't ang mura ng binenta?
Ito, 500.
Ano?
May mga nag-mine na. Guys, pwede nyo akong PM after live.
Uy,
Ako
saan
nang
ka binibenta yan? Ano?
Ako magbabubble wrap.
Tapos ibabubble wrap mo pa yan?
Oo, para safe. Ayan guys, check out nila yan. Uy, na-sold out ka?
Ngayon? Oo.
Hindi, bukas. Kasi bukas ka pa magla-live eh. Bobo ka. Malamang ngayon. Na-sold out ka?
Ba't yung galit na naman?
Hindi ako galit. Naiinis lang ako sa mga ano eh. Bobo. Ay, joke lang. Nagano ka na? Nagano ka na? Ang bagay mo magsalita, kaya naiinis ako sa'yo. Totoo man.
Wait lang, inaantay ko nga si ano.
Naglalag ka lagi.
Inaantay ko nga kasi yung grab ni Cholo, ang tagal eh. Papatutog ka pa ba? Ang tagal kasi ng grab niya eh. Ito na, wait lang.
Iniwan ko yung lalaki ko dun para dito, tapos ang bagal mo magsalita.
Sino ba lalaki mo?
Nandun sa kabila, taga Malaysia, wala. Ang bagal mo. Tinatanong kita, eto, okay ka na ba sa palpit?
Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede ibenta yan.
Nasend na sa akin yung payment, sorry.
Hindi nga pwede ibenta.
Nasa akin na yung payment.
Sino na? O sige, sino bumili?
Si ano, eto si Katie.
Sino yun?
Bakit? Kilala mo lahat ng viewers ko?
Oo, kilala ko lahat. Ay,
Hoy! Ha 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 ha. Bakit
walang ibenta mo.
viewers ko? May nabadam. Sige, sa inyo na lahat ng damit dito. Imay nyo na.
O sige, anong brand yan? Pakitaan mo nga sila paano magbenta. Sige nga, pakitaan mo nga sila paano magbenta ng totoong live selling.
Hi guys! Yung mga naghahanap ng jacket natin dyan. Ayan. Ito po yung jacket natin guys. So ano po siya dito? Parang leather. Tapos ito parang medyo malagkit, medyo mabaho. Nasa sa inyo kung gusto nyong i-check out. Tapos makapalit ka na para bang nakatira ka sa Switzerland pero nasa Pilipinas ka lang. Ayan. I-check out nyo na to. Makapal ka pa yan. Kasing kapal lang mukha ni Christian. Ayan. So, i-check out nyo to guys for only...
Check out mo yan.
For only
Magkano yan?
150 na lang.
Ang mura niya, lugi ka.
Hindi naman sa akin to eh, kaya hindi ako lugi.
Wala ka namang investment eh, kaya di ka lugi.
Oh, wala naman ako
Hindi
hindi.
mo. Wala naman labas sa pera eh.
Yes.
Ito, hahanapin ko ng hollow blocks. Ano gusto nyo, kakanda ako, ganon? Mukha mo yung hollow blocks dito. Pag may hollow blocks dito, batok pa sa ulo mo yan. Pa-flex number 9. Flex ko yung buhay mo kay San Pedro. Gusto mo? Patingin po lipstick. Titignan mo lang, hindi ka naman bumibili. Oh, ang tinita mo to, hindi mo na ka nag-check out ka, tignan mo lang. Ano yung lasa ng milk tea? Yung titi nga, walang lasa, kinain mo, yung milk tea pa, tatanong mo. Tsaka, FDA approved to ha, para sa mga yumayaw-yaw dyan, FDA approved to. Masang Kanaw. Nasa kulungan, be. Nasa bilanggo, naglalay pa ako dito eh. Ayan oh, bilisan mo na, para may pagpiyansa ako. Masarap pa milk tea, oo be, magpapagda ba ako di masarap? Ilang pieces yung sunflower? Ano be, bibilangin ko sa harapan mo? Ha? Pag ito binilang ko, tapos hindi mo binili ha? Ngita ka. Hindi kita sasantuin. Pag ito binilang ko, tapos hindi mo binili ha? Sige, binilang ko to kasi hindi mo binili. Hindi kita sasantuin. Maniwala ka sa akin ha? Hanapin ko talaga ang kakano mo dyan. Pag hindi mo to binili, hindi kita sasantuin. Maniwala ka, hahanapin talaga kita. Kita lang. Pag ito di mo binili, yariin talaga kita. Diba? Pag di mo binili itong sunflower na ito, hindi talaga kita sasantuin. Maniwala ka sa akin. Pag walang bumili dito ha, pinabilang mo sa akin naman ng sunflower, pag di ka bumili, tignan mo, hanapin talaga kita. Pag di nyo binili ito, pag bilang-bilangin nyo ako ng sunflower dito. Hindi pa ako tapos sa sunflower ha? Oh, nabilang ko na. Mag-check out ka na. Ang laman ng isang ganto guys, ang sunflower natin ay, walaan nyo. Ano, sasabihin ko pagkas ko magbilang dito?